Hey lovelies, and welcome back to week 9 of our makeup mastery series where we are going to go over eyeliner. And today I'm going to show you how to put on your eyeliner without making your eyes look harsh and weighed down and all heavy. We want to look our age. We want to do all these things gracefully when we put on our makeup, right? So let's get into it, sis. Black eyeliner. That's the first thing that is aging us. Instead of reaching for the black, we're going to start reaching for our browns and our plums and our espresso colors because these lift the eyes. They don't lower the eyes. If you pay close attention, you will see my eyes today have two different colors on them. Can you tell me what the difference is? Can you tell? Can you tell? Keep watching. Not only we're going to ditch the black liner, another thing we're going to do is like last week when I told y'all, we're going to tight line. Now I know. Everybody's not going to be able to tight line because everybody's going to blink. But if you can't do it under your waterline, at least you can do it over your waterline and on top of your lash line. So that way, just get close as you possibly can, okay? And define your lashes. That's what you're doing. So they can just pop and just, give you a little shadank without going so close that you tend to blink and tear up, kind of like I did when I was doing mine. But it's okay. You just take a Q-tip, put it in the corner of your eye, help yourself out. That's a tip, okay? And then once we get our tight line done, then we go in with our choice of whichever one you choose, brown, plum, espresso, not black, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and do our eyeliner on top. And we're going to smudge it out. Instead of doing that drawn out wing liner, that is giving us that, dun dun dun, aged look, we're going to go with smudging it out instead. And you can still give like a soft, subtle wing where it's not so harsh, okay? Everything we do is going to be soft and subtle so that people can look and stare. Stare good though. Stare like, oh my God, so beautiful. Oh my God. Is that a wing? Or is that, yeah. She beautiful. Now, remember from week, 1, 2, I did show y'all which brush to use when we smudging out our eyeliner. So make sure y'all go back to our tools and pick up the right brush when we are smudging out our eyeliner. Now, once we do get done smudging out our eyeliner, that's the top part. We cannot don't neglect your lower lashes because, honey, they're still there. And they open up your eyes if done right. Okay, ladies, so here's another little trick that I do, especially in the daytime. If you want to keep your eyes looking open and youthful, you want to take your eyeliner and you want to make sure you only go halfway when you're applying your eyeliner. Don't go all the way across your eyes, even if you're not using, even if you are using a brown or a plum eyeliner that's going to already give you that, more open look to your eyes. You still want to make sure that you only go halfway. Go halfway. And then you want to smudge it out. Soften it. And soften it on the edges like I'm showing you here. That gives you that wing effect when you connect them. Ooh, honey child. Mwah. Chef's kiss. It looks beautiful. And it looks so soft and so sexy and so subtle that it just, oh, look at it. You see it? I'm telling you, it looks good. So, okay, I digress because I'm just thinking about it in my head and I'm picturing it and how it looks, okay? But yeah, don't forget though, when you do go halfway, like what I did, is to make sure that you do smudge out where you started. Don't leave such a harsh, blunt line to where you actually started because everything is all about being soft, We have a soft life. You want to have soft makeup because it looks pretty. Okay, to finish off that lower lash line, we're going to add some mascara. And we're going to still use our lengthening mascara. Now, if you want to be extra, because some of us are extra, I wasn't extra today, you can use a primer. So most of the time, not some of the times, most of the time I do use a primer. But today I just didn't feel like it. Put a primer on. Go ahead and put your mascara on. And then, honey, open those eyes wide up. Go ahead. Be beautiful. Show the world. Honey, say it with your eyes. Get them OnlyFans eyes, girl. y'all, I'm tripping. I'm just kidding. These are all jokes, okay? But no, in all seriousness, see how much softer and lifted your eyes tend to look? Look at mine. Look, honey. Yes. Now, the right eyeliner is just one piece to the puzzle. You definitely have to have your eyeshadow on point. So y'all make sure y'all check out this video right here if you want to see how to get your eyeshadow on point. And I will see y'all in next week's video when we do mascara. Bye.